Good morning students, myself Vinod Bhatti, continuing our chapter number 3, fiber to fabrics. Now, in our previous videos we have studied about the cotton fibers, how the cotton fibers are formed. Now today we will study about the spinning of cotton fibers. Now, spinning of cotton fiber. First of all, we should know what is spinning. Actually, the process of converting of the cotton fibers into the yarn is known as spinning of the cotton. Now, in our older times, the spinning of the cotton fibers are done with the help of simply hand-operated machine known as charkha. As you studied in the history also, that our Gandhiji used to spin the cotton fibers by using the charkha, and we are very much familiar with the charkha. Now, nowadays it is done with the help of the machines, that is heavily operated machines are there. Now weaving and knitting are the two different processes. In the weaving, the process of arranging of the multiple length of the yarn together to form a fabric are known as weaving. It is done with the help of hand looms and power looms, and nowadays it is done with the help of machines. In this, the two different sets of the fibers are interlocked together in a right angle with each other, and so that the fabric can be made which is of good strength. Next, the knitting. Knitting is the process in which the process of making of fabric from a single yarn, and this process is known as knitting. As you have observed, your mother used to make the sweaters, socks, scarves, etc. These socks, scarves, sweaters, etc. are being made with a single fiber of a wool. That is the process of knitting. As we know that before our ancient time, older times, at the 30,000 years ago, the early men does not used to wear the clothes, but they lives in the caves so that they can protect themselves from the sunlight, rain, and other natural calamities. The early men, now after that, they used to wear the leaves and the skin of the animals. They are used to wear them, and the leaves and the skin of animals wrapped on their body so that they can protect themselves from the cold and rain. Now, as the time passes, the early man discovers the needle. After the discovery of the needle, the fabrics are being made. Actually, the first needle made by this early man, biologist has found that the needle made up of the animal's bone. So this gives a proof that the early men knows about the needles and the process of knitting. They use the needle made up of the animal's bones for making of the fabrics. Actually, when the needle is formed, they use this needle for stitching of the animal's skin, and by stitching this animal skin, they used to wear this to cover their body. After that, as the time passes, 6,000 years ago, these early men started rearing of the sheep. After that, their hairs are used for making the wool, and this wool are used for making the fabrics. As also we know that in the 3000 years ago in China, in 3000 BC, the silk is being discovered, and in our India at that similar timing, in 3000 years ago, the cotton fibers are being discovered. And after discovery of the cotton fibers, the cotton clothes are being made. So, as in our previous videos, we have studied how the cotton fibers are being extracted and how these cotton fibers get converted into the yarn. This is the process through which make the fabrics from these plant fibers or animal fibers. I hope you are able to understand. Stay home, stay safe, be happy. Thank you.